Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about using Emergent AI for free. In order to do so, here we are at emergent.sh and we're all logged in. And you can go ahead and just get started with Emergent. You can start typing in and asking questions. However, if you want to know how much you can do for free, then if you go to the subscribe page, then you can see here we do have the free version, but you only get 10 free monthly credits. So you'll be able to do a little bit, but that's basically just to test it out for yourself. If you really want to get the full functionality, you're looking at least $20 per month for the standard, and then $200 for the pro, $300 per team for the team version, $300 per month for the team version. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Click on our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. And check out our YouTube playlist that'll tell you everything you need to know about Sintra. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.